bail application ruling. So it was supposed to come out today, but unfortunately the ruling is not yet out, and we have been given another date, which is the 18th of December. So we hope by the 18th of December judgment will be out, but it's not the final and definitive date. I'm yet to confirm with the clerk to Justice Chikeya as to when the judgment will be handed out, but as for now we've been given 18th December as the prospective date.
So what is causing conflict with the Tabitha died on 17 September?
Okay, in matters like this, once an applicant or an accused person makes an application for bail, the judge should then look at the facts surrounding the case and then assess using the law at hand. So we believe that the judge is still assessing the facts and applying the law to the facts. So we expect that judgment will be out, but I do accept that it has taken a bit of time for judgment to come out, but we are hopeful that on the 18th of December, judgment will be out.
There are rumors that it appears the records are missing. Is it true?
No, I must dispel that rumor. The records are not missing. For the bail application, the records are there, but the judge who is dealing with the matter, Justice Chikeya, was not here today. So judgment was supposed to be handed down by his sister judge. So the sister judge told us that judgment is not yet ready, but the records are there.